अंदू FC गोवा खातीर पेजाद कामगिरी करून भारताच्या टीमीत जागो मेळोवपाचें टार्गेट डिफेंडर चिंगलन सना शिंगान दवरला। पोरूं ISLांत जाल्ल्यो चुको जावच्यो ना असो सनाक विस्वास। मजगतीं गोंयचो उदेतो मिडफिल्डर प्रिन्स्टन रिबेलो FC गोवाच्या मेन टीमीत सुवात मेळिल्ल्यान सामको उमेदीन आसा।
In 100 and seems to be consistent. So overall, what do you think is changing for football in India?
Most importantly, that is the hard work that we do during the camp as well, and also the important part that is played is the league, the I-League as well as the ISL, Indian Super League. With all the players that is coming in the Indian Super League, we are really doing well. We are playing against tough opponents, against experienced players, against world-class players. So playing against them, playing alongside them, learns a lot, and it improves the quality of the tournament as well. So by that, the Indian players' mindset as well as the way of thinking as well improved, and that's what we're learning everything, and it's growing really fast, and it's good for the country. The head coach, we have worked really hard, and with a lot of set pieces work as well. So we are working really hard on it, and to rectify the mistakes and to make less mistakes and concede less goals, and to do well every game. To be very honest, last season I wasn't at my best, so this season I'm looking forward to raise the bar for myself as well as for others as well. So we have to do well as a team to get the result that we are looking for this season. Last year we only went till the semi-finals, so this year we are looking forward to go to the final and get the trophy home. So nothing less than the best performance from each and every one of us. Pena is 35 years old and Fall is 30 years old, so they have a lot of good experience. So as a young player, I look forward to them in training session as well, and in matches to learn from them, to play alongside with them, and the best thing is to deliver for the team, to do well for the team. That is the most important thing, and that is what we are focusing on.
It's been a great start for my new career in the senior team, because it's a dream come true to practice with the senior team and be a part of the youth development as a part of the senior team now. And it's been a great experience for me practicing with the best players in the ISL team, and it's a opportunity for me which I should take it.
How are you going about your daily task? What has been advice from the head coach?
The head coach is very, he's giving us a lot of confidence to play in the senior team. There's no pressure on us. He's just left us with more confidence, and he motivates us all the time. Even though we make the mistakes, he always encourages us. Yeah, I'm very happy about this, because it's always been everyone's dream, every youngster's dream to play for FC Goa. Though I had an opportunity to play in England, but playing for the national team and today wearing the FC Goa jersey is somewhat a dream come true.
दुसरे फिलिप पिंटो यादस्तीक मेजर रँकिंग टेबल टेनिस सर्तींत धीरज राय आनी मल्लिका गोगोय वस्ताद थारलीं। ज्युनियर गटांत पृथा पर्रीकार आनी अंशुमन अगरवाल जिखल्यात। सर्त कबीर पिंटो माखीजा आनी क्लब वास्को द गामा एकठांय मेळून घेतात।
Badminton is a game where you have to work very, very hard, and it's not very easy, because I think it's an individual sport. Because in a team game, you can still, like if I was not a good fielder, my captain can hide me deep fine leg or third man or deep point or wherever. But in table tennis, you cannot hide yourself. So you have to play your own game.
Once again, all winners, please do not leave. Our winner of junior girls, Pruta Parika. Anshuma Agarwal. Well done, Malika. We trophy for 2018, everybody in the mix.
गोयच्या क्रिकेटरांक आपूण सल्लो दितलो अशें इंडियाचो आदलो कॅप्टन मोहम्मद अझरुद्दीनान स्पश्ट केलें। तो फिलिप पिंटो यादस्तीक सर्तीचे प्राइज दिवपाचे सुवाळ्याक मुखेल सोयरो आशिल्लो. ताणें पत्रकारांकडेन भासाभास केली.
I'll come from time on and off. I'll definitely come and see the boys, because I think they need a lot of guidance, and I think they have so much talent. So it's just they need good direction, and I'm very happy to be associated and to come and give my expertise here.
How do you see the team, the young team?
Well, I think you have a young side, it will take time, because any young side, it will take time to reach its peak. So I'm sure the boys have a lot of talent, and if they work hard and play well and concentrate on the game, be dedicated to the sport, and I'm sure they will do well in the tournament.
And will your son also be playing?
Well, I think he's playing, if he plays, he's playing well, he's a good player, so we'll wait and see, he has to score runs as well.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुळशीदास च्यारी.
आणि आता बुलेटिन सोपचे पयलीं पळोवया बेळगांवच्या कांय सार्वजनीक गणपतीची अनंत चतुर्दशीची विसर्जन मिरवणूक. इतल्याने बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबूक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.